The reason the two models were chosen for the dependent shoot was because I wanted to tackle a particular area of this disorder. It was brought to my attention not only through my own research and through books, but also by my mum as a forensic psychologist. So it was people who have been diagnosed with dependent personality disorder have a really intense fear of being on their own or being left alone. And you know, in cases, people have even stayed with partners who are been in toxic relationships but stayed because of the fear of being alone. We're still people. We still all have our own vulnerabilities, and their vulnerability is no different to ours. But I wanted to show that there is a human being behind the disorder. We chose a monochromatic colour palette to present the kind of the more angelic side and also something that's much darker. So Demii was in all white to represent something that was almost childlike, slightly kind of insipid almost, but very delicate. Almost looked like a child. And it was really thought-provoking actually, because you looked at it and suddenly she did just become this one person. She looked so delicate and innocent. Similarly, we chose to paint Corey in complete black. Really important that he looked stern, he looked aggressive, he looked violent, because actually when they came together as a unit, you could see it portrayed exactly what it wanted to be, where actually she just kind of wanted to be protected.